So I've gone ahead and cut out the bulk of my stuff I'm going to use today. And let me just tell you what it is. I got an old stamp out of a stamp book I had, a little piece of music, just a small piece, and just some images from a photo book of some aerial views, photography out of a plane, and again this piece of South America map. Now I'm going to begin. I have all this stuff. I'm just going to kind of assemble it and see what looks good where. So I know I want the corners to be flush, so I'm going to go ahead and put these in the corners. And again, this was the bottom right corner. Is that a good right angle? Now this piece is kind of long, so I think it might fit along the edge here. I can put it any way I want. I like this shadow of the plane on this picture, so I might put it like this. And I might just overlap some things here and see how it looks. And again, play around with different arrangements, and there's no right or wrong way to do it or anything like that. Let's see, these are a little too long, so instead of cutting, I'm just going to kind of overlap them so they all fit on here. So this will go in the corner. And this piece would fit right here. And I have this stamp again, so I'm trying to find an empty space as kind of just an accent with the red. And I think the red on the blue might look good actually, so maybe I'll just put it right here. So now I have it assembled. I think I'm going to use glue for this. You can use tape, although glue lasts a little bit longer. Double-sided tape's a little bit more expensive than the glue here. So we're ready to put this down and finish the collage.